Hello everyone, welcome to Mentoring and More Academy. My name is Akanksha and today we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence and its various roles. To begin with, what is artificial intelligence? Very simply, the intelligence demonstrated by the machines is called artificial intelligence. That is, these machines are able to learn with experience and perform human-like tasks. So, these machines have the capability of thinking and acting rationally and humanly. As artificial intelligence is growing so fast, it is going to have a great impact in the quality of our lives. Coming to the purpose. See, the purpose of artificial intelligence from a technical standpoint is to aid human capabilities and help us make advanced decisions with far-reaching consequences. But from a philosophical perspective, artificial intelligence has the potential to help humans live more meaningful lives, which is devoid of hard labor, and help them manage the complex web of interconnected individuals, companies, states, nations, which is beneficial to all humanity. Now there are three types of artificial intelligence: ANI, AGI and ASI. Starting with ANI, which is Artificial Narrow Intelligence. These systems are designed to solve a singular problem, and that is why they have narrow capabilities. For example, predicting a weather or recommending a product to an e-commerce user. The second one is AGI, which is Artificial General Intelligence, that has human level of cognitive functions consisting image processing, language processing, computational functioning, reasoning, etc. The third one is ASI, which is Artificial Super Intelligence. These systems will be able to surpass all the human capabilities, for example, making emotional relationships, taking rational decisions, and making art better, etc. Now, what is the role of artificial intelligence in the practical life? Trust me, AI is used everywhere in our day-to-day life. It is used in music recommendations, map directions, fraud preventions, online banking, facial recognitions, plagiarism checking. It is used in various ride-sharing applications like Ola and Uber, in smart personal assistants like which is your Alexa, Siri. Also, it is used to filter the spams in your emails. So it is used almost everywhere. Like Netflix uses the past user data to recommend the subscriber what movie he or she might want to watch next, to hook the subscriber to that platform and increase the watch time. This past user data is also used by Facebook, which automatically gives suggestions to tag your friends. So basically, artificial intelligence is used by all the organizations to make the user's life simple. Apart from this, AI is really shining in various other industries like healthcare, where it is used in administration, telemedicine, assisted diagnosis, robot assisted surgery, and vital states monitoring. In e-commerce, artificial intelligence is used for better recommendations, in chat boxes, for filtering spam and fake reviews, in optimizing search and supply chain. Next, in human resources, artificial intelligence is used to build the work culture by analyzing the employer's data and placing them into the right team and assigned projects. It is also used in hiring. Artificial intelligence with the use of NLP, that is natural language processing, can go through thousands of CP in just few matter of seconds and determine the right fit for that role. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence has a very promising future in India. There has been 60 to 70% hike in salaries of the aspirants who have successfully transitioned into AI roles. So yes, artificial intelligence is the future of India. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.